up, guys? Back again.
Okay, he's back.
Okay.
He's the one making the deal.
What can I get for 20?
Yo, what's up? OK for Kids TV. It's FGTV Duddy in the house.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to OK for Kids TV. So today we're at Muckleshoot Reservation and we're gonna be flying some fireworks. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and turn notifications and hope to get good deals. Come on. Okay, so right now we're at the firework lighting area and we're gonna be watching some fireworks. And look how many fireworks they have lit up. Like there's still more over there. Wow. This is so much.
That's it. Thank you, man.
You're welcome. You guys have a good day.
You too. Thank you so much. Hello. You guys have deals?
What do you need? Basically got everything you need. And mainly how we do it is if you let us know the budget, let us know what you want, and we'll hook it up.
Okay. Well, what can you get for us for 100?
What do you want? Big variety.
Well, something that we can like.
Okay. So Roman candles, bottle rockets, smaller things. Is that fine?
I still did not
Yeah,
understand
big
what he
stuff.
said.
Big stuff. $100.
No, I'm like,
100.
we don't have any down here. Do we have, we need a box. We need a box.
Oh, my bad, John.
What's $1,000?
These Roman candles, they're bigger. They're not like the little smaller ones. These shoot hard.
Okay.
They're loud. Sure.
Wow.
Wait, all this for 100?
It's not done. We're still building it.
All this for
Like
100?
smaller stuff at all?
Well, if you
No.
got it, yeah. That'll be cool.
We want the big one.
Red poppins?
Oh yeah.
Bottle rockets?
Bottle rockets, Dad. Yeah.
Any bags? Oh, you got it. I got bottle rockets in here.
Wait, all this for 100?
True though.
Let's go here like a million times.
You good?
Wow.
You got, these are all artilleries. These ones are strobes, so when they go up, they pop and then they strobe. So like lights on and off.
Nice,
And you
okay.
got two 500-gram cakes. These are our smaller 200-gram cakes right here.
Okay.
And then you got a bunch of other stuff. These are whistling bottle rockets, non-whistling. Oh, I know what I meant.
Sick. Give me some bonus.
Okay.
Ask for bonus.
Wait, what is that?
Say, can you give me some bonus?
Firecrackers.
All right.
Here's some smaller stuff like crackling balls.
Yeah. You guys have smoke bombs?
Let me check. We got smoke grenades.
Okay, that'll work.
Dad asked for the bonus.
Seem good?
Nice, okay.
You doing card or cash?
I'll do card.
For card, we have $2 fees. Is that fine?
That's fine. Yes, someone commented on our video to go here.
Nice.
Good. We should have went here last year.
Yeah, I know.
Now you guys know. Now you guys know.
Yeah. What's your name, man?
Steve.
Steve. Okay.
Steve from Extreme.
All this for 100. What do you think, Ian? Let's go, huh?
All right. 100 and then 2, so I have to show you what I'm charging.
Okay.
Boom. And that's your cent, and you guys are good to go. There you guys
Hey, can you add bonus? Yeah. Perfect.
go again.
Awesome.
That's cute.
There you guys are.
Awesome.
All right.
Cool.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Have
See
fun.
ya.
Be safe.
That was a good deal.
Amazing.
So that was a good deal with Extreme. One. We got that.
This.
That. And the big bazooka.
These are not big though.
Be careful.
These are the most people that okay, so we're gonna go back to the Extreme fireworks shop and I'm gonna see what can I get for $25. I'm gonna get some fireworks for $25.
What's up, guys? Back again.
Okay, he's back.
Okay.
He's the one making the deal.
What can I get for $25?
$25. What do you want? Just a big variety. Which color would you want out of these?
The red.
Red one? Okay. These are crackling, so when they go up, they pop and then they crackle.
Those are cool.
You are crackling balls. Some rockets. It's like bottle rockets.
How you like that?
Oh my
And then my goes for you.
All right.
That's like a fountain. You can hold it in
Yeah.
when you light it. Seem good?
Wow, that's good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Man, that's for you, buddy. All right, this is Extreme Fireworks at Muckleshoot Reservation across from the bingo hall.
And the smoke
Check
shop.
this out.
Good deal right here.
Man, look for the red X and a big green yuck face called DZ. Man, it's right there on the top of the scaffold, so you can't miss it.
Awesome. Wow, this is cool.
There you go, buddy. Here you go.
Awesome.
And then I got one more thing for you guys. Here's our biggest bottle rocket for you.
Oh,
Make sure you guys
wow.
light it together. That's real loud and a little bit of color.
Is it
Awesome.
this? Is it like a helicopter?
It's not a
It's
stroke.
like it's like a real, kind of like that, but loud.
Wow. Cool. Thanks so
All right,
much,
guys.
man.
Be safe.
See ya.
Have fun.
Yep. Okay, tell me what you think of your deal.
Man, this is the best deal I could ever get on fireworks.
One bag, 2 bags. So all this are
Man, crack my knuckles all you want. And he was.
how did you
So how you get good fireworks and a whole bunch of deals, tell them what you want and what your price limit is. So that's how we got